guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgies HK. Welcome to my happy place. I'm back. I'm back from our vacation in the Philippines. We stayed there for February 10 to February 24th. But this is the first time that I will film after the vacation. But the last video that you've seen on my channel, the mini Monday and monthly, are late. That one is I filmed it before I left Hong Kong, but I haven't have a chance to edit it and upload it because when I'm in vacation, I want to minimize my social media exposure. So that's why, just like I'm social media detox, not 100%, but at least 70% of it. And now I'm back, and I'm now back to filming. So without further ado, let's start. So I miss lots of videos, and I think I owe you a lot. Sorry about that. So for today, what we're going to save, there's a, this is for the whole duration of my vacation. I didn't film videos, so this is the money that I supposed to save on this binder for the collab and group play saving challenges. So let's count. I haven't counted. I don't know how much left in here. Okay, let's check. I apologize for not updating you about our vacation, but it's a memorable one. All right, let's count this. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So it's 200. 2, 4, 6, 8, 100. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's $200. And let's use some prop money if we have to. And I have my prop money here that I made for myself. This not it's not available on my channel yet, but I made it just for my channel and for me. Okay, so let's start with the collab that I'm part of. This is a lovely 1K 2K collab. It's a monthly 12 months collab, and part of this collab are, of course, the host of this collab is Grammy's Journey and More, Lily of EMT Dispatchers on a Budget, Odette of Odette's Budgeting Life, Sin of Sin on a Budget, Jess of Tobin Budgets, Terry of It's Not Too Late Terry, Miss Pam of Gaming Garma Budgets, Christy of CW Does Life, Patty of Coco Cabana Budgets, Pat of Oma Low Income Journey, and me. So some of them already reached their 2K goals, and me, I'm part of the 1K subscriber goal. So let's start. So what we have here, I haven't do anything here yet. So I will use D6 to determine which box we need to do. Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D6. Let's roll. It's a 4. I will total it how much so I can, let's use prop money. Okay. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This icon, which is this one. So let's save here all of it. 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's cross this out. So 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D3. Oh, I have D3 dice now. Here's my D3 dice. Actually, it's six of, I have ordered six and I gave Mel of Momshi Queen three. So I'm using it because I don't have it yet. So I give her three and I keep three. So this is one, two, three. So let's roll. So one, all right. So six, one, two, three, four, five, six. Minus one last roll. My last roll is minus one. So let's take it out. And I still have negative one, right? So let's see. I have minus one here because I only minus one. Let's do. So two, one, and two, heart. So instead of saving here six, I will save here five. Okay. So because of there's a minus one there. One, two, three. So let's do five minus one. So that's total of five. So let's save here $5. So four, one, two, three, four. So this dice, it said here that so $3 save and then roll a roll and save. Okay, let's roll and save. I will roll three this D3. So one. So I will save here $4. One, two, three, and then one. So I'll save here four. So five. One, two, three, four, five. Move forward two spaces. So one, two. So plus two. So I need just $2 then. So $2. And let's see how much I'll save. I want to finish this, but let's see. So one, this bubble gum. Let's save here $6. One, two, three. So $6. Okay, let me count it first. Okay, let me count from the beginning. So this is 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. So far we have $27. Okay, and let's roll. So where I stop in, ah, yeah, this guy, where is it? Here. So let's do one. So this icon, elephant, I think. So two and one, three, roll and save. So let's roll D3. So one, another one. So total of four plus four. So here, $4. Okay, so far 31. Let's roll. So three. One, two, three. Go back three spaces. So one, two, three. So this chocolate box, hard chocolate box, and save here $6. So let's plus $6. So around, hold on. How much I forgot? Oh no! I need to recount again. Plus 4, plus 6, plus 6, plus 2, plus 6, plus 4. Yeah, $37. Let's move along. So 1 is here, plus 2 last roll. Last roll is 6. So plus 2, so it's gonna be 8. Plus 8, 45. 1. This one is $6. plus 6. So how many left? Still have a lot. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move 3 paces, 3 spaces. So 1, 2, 3. So D4. D4. This is gonna be a long video. Sorry about that. So 3 plus 3. I think I need to stop here. Let's see. Okay, let me do one more. Last one. Last one. So 1 minus 2. Last roll. So minus 2. Minus 2. So it's still 52. And okay, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Anyway, undecisive me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back to start. Okay. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So D6. D6. So 5 plus 5. We got 1, 2. Okay, we only have few left. Okay, let me finish. So this one is roll and save. This one's roll and save. So 3 plus roll and save. So 1. So 1 roll and save. So 4. This is 4 plus 4. And then D3. You see, it's always 1. This D3 is not good. So plus 1. And then the last one is this one, right? Where is it? This one. Oh, here. So this one is 3 plus roll and save. Roll and save. So 2. So 5 is 5 plus 5. And the last one is this cupcake. So 6. 6 plus 6. So a total of 73. Okay. 73. Let me change some prop money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So prop money at the back. And 73 here. Alright. So I save here $73. So let's me write down 73. And by the way, the one who made this challenge is Miss Pam of Gaming Drama Budgets. And let's keep it in here, right? So I will not reallocate this until I finish all of the challenge. So I will reallocate it at the end of this year. So far what we have here is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 30, 40, 50, 153. Okay, yay! So the next one is going to be March, and the one who, let me keep the prop money here. So the one who made the challenge is Terry. Hope it's not too late, Terry. You can print it out and check her copy shop so you can print this for free. Okay, so if you want to save with us, just go to our individual copy shop and you can print all of these challenges. Okay, the next collab is gonna be the Disney collab. I'm not part of this one, but I want to save with them. And there's a mistake here last time. I miss some dollars here. So this one is, I think, supposed to be $45 for January, but I only save here, let's see, 30, yeah, 43. So I miss here $2. So let me just grab $2. So it's gonna be 45. Okay, let's do 45 then. 40, okay, 40 and 5. Okay, let me do this. This for January. And then for February, I don't know if I can finish it. So let's see. So the one who made this challenge are Planner Papery, and the other side is for Roll and Save is Pink Plum Budgeting. Okay, so for this one, it said here save 25. So let's save 25. Okay, so let's cross this out. And for the other side, by the way, this is hosted by Step on a Budget, Weekly Budgets, and Budgeting with Lysandra. This is a free, all of these challenges are free saving challenges, and you can check on their individual copy shop. I will just put all the channels that part of this collab on the description box. Okay, for this roll and save, for Ursula, let's roll a D3 again, but I want to change it into a different one because it's always roll 1. Let me get the other color I have here. Maybe green. Okay, green. Okay, let's roll. So 3, 1, 3, 3. So this one is all 3. Up, 2, 2. So 2, 2. Last one. So 2. So how much? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 plus 6, 14, 15, $18. So $18. Okay. So far for this challenge, we saved here $43 for February. And next month, it's gonna be Diana. And it's my birthday month. Actually, my birthday already passed. My birthday is last March 1, yesterday, because I'm recording it today, March 2. So it's I'm 49 now. Yay! So let's save here. Disney collab. So I just put it in here. All right. And let's move this on the side. Okay, so for the next challenge, oh, I also have a happy mail here. So okay, before we go to the next challenge, let's open the happy mail. So this one is from Lauren of Miss L. Thomas. She sent it to me. I'm watching her live every Thursday morning in Hong Kong, but Wednesday night in US. So she didn't put her address here, but I just keep it upside down so that I can hide my address. I hope I didn't. Let's I hope I didn't ruin the challenge here. Let's see. Yay, I'm so excited. Thank you very much, Lauren. I really appreciate your effort to send me this one, even you don't have to. Okay. Okay. Let's see. January 20. I just received it when I came back from from our vacation. So, hi, lovely. Thank you so much for your support and for coming to my live. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this challenge. Love, Lauren. Ah, thank you so much, Lauren. It's really nice. I'm so excited. All right, let's do it. So this is a scratch up challenge. This is Hunter. Wow. This is from What Matter Most Now. I think she just changed the scratch up sticker here, and it's okay for me. I appreciate everything that you gave me, even digitally or physically. For physical items, it's not that much, but because I understand it's quite expensive, pricey for the shipping fee. So this one as well, cute. And this penguin from Tiny Budget Co. Yeah, thank you, Lauren. And the second one is from, okay, this from Kimi's Corner. I'm a member of her channel. And let's see. Ah, I don't want to. Okay, let's open it up. Oops. Thank you, Kimi. Thank you so much. So excited about this. It's my first time to open it. Even I want to open it when I get it from the mailbox, but I want to show it to you guys, to you lovely. So let's see. All right. By the way, Kimi have coffee shop and she's selling some digital and physical items. You can check her out. I'm not sponsored, okay? This is just a membership freebie if you're a member on of her channel. So let's do the first one. Wow! This is Kimmy's Corner, quarter one besties exclusive. It's a scratch off. It's a $30. Save $30 here. Wow. I love green now, you know. And next one. Oops. Oh, it's a shamrock as well. Shenanigans, because life is more fun when you are something. The next one, another shamrock, another for the team of for the March team. Kimmy's Corner, everybody in the pub. Get it tipsy, bestie exclusive. Alright, this is a roll and save or designate the amount if you want to. Next one. So I will flip it with the sound. Okay. Alright, just flipping the Kimmy's Corner again. This, see, so nice. The crocheting or yeah, crochet gnome hat. All right. Green is the color of the month. And this one, thank you, lovely. Your support throughout our financial journey means more to us and we could ever express. Keep a smile on your face and always remember to save, save, save. Kimmy and Grace. Hi, Grace. And some stickers. Right. All right, the next one. This one is from Miss Judy of Save with Judy. I'm also a member. Oh, don't. And I'm also do some watch lists for all my collab co-collaborator, my friends, my lovely friends for our collab of Lovely's 1K, 2K collabs. Um, I'm now doing Miss I'm trying to finish Miss Fam, or as long as I can watch around 30 to 50 videos. So Miss Pam, without doing a times two, just a normal play. So Miss Pam, it's Terry of Not Too Late Terry, and then who else? I forgot the other one. Oh, Sin on the budget, and I already finished Miss Gracie of Grammy's Journey, and Cruise Budget. I'm done it, but I didn't post any because I don't know. I just want to do it secretly, and I'm done with Nikki of Dragon Saves playlist as well. All right. So if you want to go and watch our With Me playlist, comment on the description box or on the comment section, and I'll do yours too. So the next one, after I do the 1K, 2K Loveless members, I will do the, I think, Windmill Ridge, because she's also doing mine. So I just want to let you know. So this one is from Miss Judy. This is a monthly, some member exclusive. All right. So I love you this much. Wow. So cute. Scratch off. All right. So this one is early party hard save with Judy. So it's up to you. How do you play it? How do you save with this one? It's a February one, but I missed that, but I will do it. I will try to use these challenges because they put a lot of effort to send it to me and to do such nice saving challenges and send it to me here. Wow. So excited and so happy that I received something. Really, I'm really happy. And this one, I will designate or roll a dice. And bank teller ka sleep. Okay. And I use sleep and wow, heart. Whoa. Thank you so much, Miss Judy. Okay, so let's continue. Let me check my camera first or my phone if its memory is full or not. Okay. So the next, I will not do the self-care collab yet, but I will do this Disney Princesses. This is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. So far, there's the card here. This one is available on her channel, on her copy page or copy shop for a very reasonable price, I think. But she just gave it to me. So okay, let's do this. Let me get this. Hold on. Sorry about the mess. All right, so let's flip the card. Oh, Enchanted Rose by, this is Belle, right? The princess is Belle, so I need to scratch this one. How much? Come on, Mel. Is this spicy or no? Let me. Oops, okay. Three safe. We're safe in here. So $3. Next card. Magic carpet for Jasmine. Isn't it? So let's scratch this out. So $2. Two. So total of 5. And this one. So for Cinderella, this is a godmother. Good Paris. Is it Cinderella? Let's see. 8. Oh no. Mel, $8. So let's save here 8. And let's put back $2 there. So far we're at 13. And this one, Sishu. So this one, who's the princess? So comment on the comment section. I'm not particular with that. I just watch and watch and watch, and then forgot the sidekick or anyone. So let's me scratch here. 7. Come on. Okay, I will stop here. So 7. Let me do another. So let's save here 20 because this is 13. Okay. So let's skip it here. So far what we have here, $60. No, 60 plus $66. Okay, so if I finish with this challenge, I will change it into this one. This is also from Mel of Mom Chick Queen. It's available on her coffee shop. This castle and the crown. I'm a princess, so there's a crown. I got it for free. I got it for free from her. She's my cousin, so I got it for free. So I will not do this. All done. So for this one, I forgot how much I need to save in here. I only added up, I think. Sorry, I got interrupted by my husband called, so I'm using my phone for videoing. So he called, and I checked also how much Miss Judy saved for the last two half of February, so 16 and 13. So what I'm going to do is I will just added up the number and I saved the amount. Okay, so 16 and 13. So it's gonna be 7 and 4, so $11. 11. And I will color it up cam. Yep. So total of 20, 23. So I want to double check if I'm correct. Because so here is 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4. So it should be 36. I think I missed something. Let me check. You see, I made a mistake here. So it's only 28. So I missed 8. So minus 28. So I missed $8. So let me put $8 so that it will gonna be even. Sorry about that. So far that we have here $36. Maybe I didn't put this one. So 4 and 2 and this one as well. I don't know. I forgot. At least it's even now. So I'll color it off cam. And this one I cannot save here yet. So maybe I will do March and then later on the rest. But not as $5. It's normally $5, but I will not do it as $5. I'll do it a smaller amount and I don't have much to save. So next one, so we only have how many left here? So let's skip this. Let's drink to that. I will go to the month to the group play. So this group play. So I missed already February. I'm too late, I think, but I will save some for here. So let's see how much I wanna catch up. So how much is this? 4, 7. This is from Kimi's Corner. 5, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20. So yeah. Sorry. Sorry. So 5, 10, 15, yeah, 20. So let's save here 20 to finish this. And I will put it up here. and cross this out so that I can catch up. So let me cross this out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. She also have a roll and save with the same monthly. So if you want, you can check her coffee shop if you want to grab this challenge. All right. So for this one, it's from Restoration by Autumn. I want to finish this as well. And this one, I think $2 per arco. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let me get $12. So I have $12. I forgot why. Maybe it's done, but I didn't finish it. I vacation hangover, so sorry about that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 8, 16. So I have here 14, so $2 more to finish it. But I didn't cross this out. Okay, let's finish this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is done. And this one, I'll put it on my heart box to reallocate this and the rest of the other completed saving challenges. So let me get this. Oh, no, there's no. All right, this is done. So let me put it at the side. Okay, let me keep this first. I forgot to keep this. And this one for my spam of group play of Miss Spam of Gaming Grandma Budget. Happy Valentine's group play. So this one, I'll just put $1 each. I will not roll. I just put $1 each. How much we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's see what other challenges that I need to finish here. So here I'll save 5 for now. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of this star heart is 1, 1, 1, 1. So for this one, this is from Miss Gracie of Grandma's Journey. I think this is done. Oh, $3, not yet. So give me $3. And let's finish this. Okay. How much I save in here? Let's see. So 10, 10, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. So that 11, 10, 17, 20, 27. So 27. It's done. Yay. So 27. And let's save it. And let's put it all together here. And next week I will do this one. This is a roll and save. And for Miss, sorry about this. I just use the paper, reuse the paper. And for Miss Ellie on Earth, I think this is a roll and save. So I need to roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's roll D3 again. So this is 3. I normally roll 4 sided dice, but let's use D3 this time. So 1, so 4, and 2, oh 3, sorry, and 3. So 3, 6, 9, 10. So let's save here $10. It's done. Yay! So where's the money here? You see, I miss it. So total amount here should be, I think I mistakenly put it on the restoration by autumn. Yeah. So 10 plus 4. You see, I don't have the money here. Where's the money? Come on, where I put it? Oh yeah, you see? Okay, let's just finish this. So 10 plus 8, $18. So I don't have 18. It's supposed to be done. So I only have here $3. So I owe here 5. Supposed to be done. I don't know what happened. So total amount here got 10, $18. Okay. So it's considered done, but I still have IOU of $5. Do you imagine that? I have IOU and I done the saving challenge. It's only me. It's only lovely. Ah, no. Okay. So next time I'll do this. And I think what I'm going to do is I will take $5 from here. And later I will I will balance it later. Let me get it $5. $18. Okay. If you think that I'm a messy one and I'm a disorganized one, yeah, this is me. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna shine a light, shine on me. Okay, that's all for now, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed the messy video that I have today, that I prepared today. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. See you next time.